this video we're showing you how you can enable the approval process. So go ahead and click on time and settings, and you can choose whether or not you want to enable the time approvals by the matter. So this means if you have an approval system set up at the matter level, you can toggle the approval system on and off from this field. Having an approval system means that you can monitor and confirm time entries made for a specific matter. If you have both enable time approvals by matter and enable time approvals by user boxes checked, the matter level approval system will always supersede the user level approval system. And then we have enable time approvals by timekeeper. So again, if you have an approval system set up at the individual user level, which is set up under account and timekeepers here, then you can toggle the approval system on and off from here. Having an approval system again means that you can monitor confirm time entries made by specific timekeepers. And if you have the enable time approvals by matter and enable time approvals by users checkbox enabled, then the matter level approval system will always supersede the user level approval system. And then we have the automatically submit time entries for approval checkbox. When a user or an approval matter is saved, it will automatically be sitting and waiting for approval in the approver's account. If this checkbox is unchecked, a submit button will appear on the time entry screen. The time entry will not be submitted for approval until the user clicks on the submit button. And then we have notify approvers via email. This means an email notification will be sent out to the approver at midnight and then at 8 AM the next morning to notify them that there are approvals waiting for them. It is useful to note that an approver will not be inundated with emails for each and every time entered. If this checkbox is unchecked, it is up to the approver to log in and check if there is any time entry waiting to be approved. Please check out our Manage Approvers video on how to set up approvers for specific timekeepers and specific matters. Please also note that these are the same settings that are applied under the expense settings for enabling the approval system for expense